Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tomato sauce. But before I do that, I want to remind everybody that for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway that currently is still going on, we only need 17 more subscribers. And then once the channel's monetized, we got 2 weeks before we have the giveaway. So there's still plenty of time to get in there and get ready to win some great prizes. All right. So tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is one of those unique preps that has a short lifespan or a long lifespan, depending on what it's canned in. Example, if it's in a can, well, it's got a short lifespan, not because the sauce itself goes bad, the can goes bad. Tomato sauce is very acidic. And even though they line the cans to protect the metal from the acidity of the tomatoes, it doesn't always hold up. So, canned tomato sauce has a shorter lifespan than, say, something in a jar. Now, the thing about the stuff in the jar also is that depending on the brand you get and stuff that they get, like this one here, this is a canning jar, so you can reuse it. Now, one of the other things I like to point out here, and this may upset a few people, this is a lot better for you than this. Yes, it costs more, but I'll tell you why. Let's check the ingredients. Tomato puree, high fructose corn syrup, a chemical that is not good for you. This one here, tomato puree, diced tomatoes, tomato juice, citric acid, water, green bell peppers. No, not even sugar added to it. Wait, there it is. Oh, contains less than, at the very bottom, it contains less than 2% of sugar. Whereas sugar is one of the last ingredients on this, it's the second ingredient on this. So for your preps, if you're going to be buying canned tomato products, tomato sauce, tomato juice, sauces for your pre-done sauces for pasta and stuff like that, get it in a jar. It lasts a lot longer. All righty. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, clothing, skills. Why? This is why.